Hello guys and welcome to Minecraft Turtleman. Today I'm going to show you how to add RAM and make a Tekkit server. First of all, let's launch up our browser, our internet browser. Just press full screen and then go to www.technicpack.net-tekkit. It should bring you to this lovely looking site over here. What you want to do is download the Tekkit server. If you do not have Tekkit, download the Tekkit launcher. But let's download the server. As you can see, just going to download. I will pause this until it's finished download. Okay guys, I am back and it's almost finished. It's going to open up. Anyway. Oops. Not supposed to. Well, anyway, go to where it has downloaded and make some sort of folder, and you can call it anything. I'm going to call mine Tekkit server. And then I'm going to, what you want to do is you want to find where you downloaded it. Mine is over here. Drag it into a folder like a boss, and then right click, press extract here. As you can see, look at that. Now you can basically launch it up, have a good time, do some other random stuff, let it do its thing. Once it's done, you just type up stop, and it should stop up the server, which just made no sense. Anyway. Now, you want to right click on the launch bat file and press edit. Now, this is how you add more RAM to your server. You see where it says XMX 3 GB here, and it says XMS 2 GB? You just want to tweak that a little bit. I'm going to add 1 more gigabyte to both of them, and I'm going to press save. There we go, it launches up on, oh my god, just a sec. Up here, you can see it launches up on 4 GB and the XMS on 3 GB. That's how you add RAM to it. If you want to make it, if you want to make it cracked, you're going to have to go to the server properties file. And then go to online mode false, turn that to false, and that will make it a cracked server, which is pretty cool. You can basically tweak the settings a bit. Difficulty 1 is easy. I usually put it on normal, which is 2. Game mode blah, you can put that on 100 or something. I usually just keep it on 20. Spawn monsters, true, view distance. MOTD stands for message of the day. Basically, if someone adds your server, they'll see the MOTD, message of the day. I'm gonna call it YouTube testing. Okay, and yeah, you can tweak a little bit. In the next episode of this, I might actually tell you how to add an adventure map to your server, which should be like amazing. So, whitelist, yeah, and that's how you make a server, a Tekkit server, guys. See you next time.